Wow! What is that? Our new Kawaii office supplies! For the first idea, take a pen and a fork. Wind wool yarn around the tines of the fork. The more there is, the better. And now take a small piece of the same yarn and tie the bundle in the middle like this. Next, cut the bundle on both sides with sharp scissors and fluff them. Remove the pom-pom from the fork. Trim the excess. Now, take a couple of pieces of felt and cut pieces like these out of them. Glue them together to make eyes, ears, and a nose. Meow! What a cute kitty! Now, take the pen and hot glue the pom-pom kitten to it. Hide the joint with a piece of foam paper. What a cute charm! Where can I buy one like it? It's not for sale, it's an exclusive accessory. And now, take a glass and a foam rubber pipe. Cut the tube into 2 parts like this. Draw pink waves on one side. Paint the rest yellow. Do the same with the second part of the pipe. When the paint is dry, take the halves of the pipe and wrap them around the cup. The first and the second. Join the cuts with hot glue. Those donuts look delicious. Add eyes and smiles. A pencil stand is ready. I know it's not edible, but it still looks good enough to eat. Nom nom nom! And now, take several colorful sheets of felt. Cut out sectors from yellow and orange sheets. Fold them together like this and glue the zipper to the connection between them. Fold the parts in half and glue from all sides. You just made a basic cosmetic bag. Now, let's start decorating it. Glue a toasted crust. Add some sausages, pepper, and olives, and eyes and a tongue. Your pencil case is ready! The most kawaii pencil case we've ever seen! I'm so hungry! For the next idea, you'll need sparkly foam paper. Draw a cloud on the back and cut it out following the outline. Turn it over to the front side and glue on eyes, a smile, and blush. Decorate the cloud with pom-poms. Glue strips of multicolored sticky notes on the lower part, like this. It's a cloud with rainbow rain. Now it'll be so much fun to write down reminders. For this idea, take buttons and light clay. Knead the clay in your hands. Roll it up into balls. Connect them. Make a flower from a different color of clay using a toothpick. Attach it to the green base. Make several holes in a larger ball. Glue the eyes and the smile. Plant your cactus on a button. Wait until the clay dries. So simple and unusual. The notes are now under the cactus's protection. Next, take some Wite-out. It looks boring. Let's improve on it. Repaint it red with a medium brush. Paint the bottom edge green. Add black dots and a cute face. Be sure to add highlights to the eyes. This kawaii watermelon works just as well as regular Wite-out. And your mood gets a 100-point boost. And now take a notebook and a towel. Glue the fabric to the cover. Now take a small shred of smooth fabric. Cut out the silhouette of a whale. Apply it to the cover. Put a little stuffing for soft toys inside and hot glue it around the outline. Next, take a bunch of different beads and fasten them in the form of a fountain. Draw an eye and a mouth. When the glue is completely dry, you can use the updated notebook. And it's good for more than just notes. This stress-relieving squishy whale is also at your service. For this idea, take a regular folder for papers and a piece of colorful foam paper. Cut out a pair of triangles, a pair of pentagons, and also pieces like these. Start hot gluing the triangles along the edges. Glue the ears on the other side, and the eyes. Don't forget about blush. It's a kawaii folder after all, and a small nose. You can also put different stuff in the triangular pockets. This fox will bring you good luck for years. Do you have an old watch hanging around the house? Great! Remove the dial and paint it white. Next, draw a horn on the plastic using hot glue. Sprinkle it with pink glitter. Glue the horn to the watch. Stick ears made out of shiny foam paper to the sides. Decorate the connection with sparkles. Draw the unicorn's eyes with acrylic puffy paint. Attach a keychain. Hang it on your backpack. It's so cute! And now take a small box. Cover it with scrapbook paper. Cut a small hole in a side. Get a brush and paints and draw drips of chocolate glaze. Decorate it with colorful sprinkles. Add eyes, hearts, and a smile. Insert a small ruler into the hole. You made a box for office supplies in the form of ice cream. It looks very tasty. Now, ice cream is more useful than ever. Next, you need a pencil and self-hardening clay. Mix the pieces of clay until it's skin color. Roll up a ball and press facial features in it. Fasten it to the tip of the pencil. Draw eyes, eyebrows, and lips. Next, take some pink wool and weave it into a braid. Glue it to the head and decorate it with an artificial flower. Wind the braid around the pencil. It turned out very unique. Rapunzel, is that you? Nobody has a pencil like this! For the next life hack, take colored wool again and a picture of a bunny. Cut the bunny out. Coat it with super glue and stick wool to it, making ears, paws, and a head. Fasten a thin ribbon to the back. Put a woolen ball on the end. Draw eyes and a nose using paint. What a funny bookmark! If you put it in a book, then a curious bunny will look out of it. Cute and kawaii! And now you will need a binder clip. Cut a thin strip from a piece of paper. And fold it to make an accordion. Cut out a semicircle from another sheet of paper. Decorate it with flowers and pom-poms. Draw eyes and a smile on the semicircle with a capillary pen. Hot glue it to the binder clip. Fasten the accordion underneath. And why did no one warn me that kawaii office supplies make people really hungry? This is such a cute cupcake. Now I want to eat something sweet. Did you like our kawaii ideas? Which one will you try out? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, click on the bell, and share this video with your friends.